Hello darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you for your love and your support. And so guys, happy new month guys. So we're in the month of December, and so I just have to make these head pieces that you can create, that can add to your business. They can you can also make this for yourself for Christmas, New Year. So just take a look at this. See how beautiful this pieces just look like. So let's DIY. And so this is the material I'll be doing for this project. And so this is my plating criloline. Just take a look at this. This is my plating criloline, and just take a look at what we're about to do. So this is so beautiful, and I love this. Can you see the criloline? Just a pleated criloline. So if a new year, check my previous videos on how to make a running stitching on your plated criloline, and that is my pocket rules. I have my feathers. I have type of feathers, the normal feathers and the threading feathers. Just look at that feather. So this is so beautiful. Then I have my stone. So I have my B6000. Then I have my pipe criloline, my Alice band, same color, my Alice band, and I have my ribbon, my tape rule. And so I have this accessory. So let's move to the next thing, and the next thing is my pleating criloline measurement. So I'll be working with 40 inches. So this is 40 inches. I'll be working with 40 inches. As you can see, can you see? So I'm working with 40 inches long. So you have to cut 40 inches out. And the next thing I'll be doing right now, I'm going to be doing a running stitching just like this. So I'm going to, it has two sides. It has the thread side, and so I'm going to be working with the thread parts. So I'm going to be making a running stitching with my needle and thread. So just what I'm doing, so easy to do. So just take a look at what I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing the running stitching just like this. It's so easy to do, just like you're creating a plating. Just look at it. So I'll be doing the running stitching here. Just look at this. So don't forget to subscribe. So we have a lot of videos coming in. I have a lot of videos coming in. So we keep doing that. We're in the month of December, so just work this on Christmas Day. Just take a look at this. You can make it for yourself and your clients. So you keep doing that. So just like this. Can you see? Then you pull the thread out. Wow. I think I'm loving this. Then you're going to tie. Just take a look at what I'm doing. You're going to tie it, and you sew it in and out. So just take a look at it. So I'm going to tie this. I'm going to tie it. Just see what I'm doing. So easy to do. Then use another thread to sew it in and out. The next thing I'll be doing right now is I'll be working with my pipe criloline. I have 2 yards of pipe criloline, just a 2 yard of pipe criloline. So what I'll be doing right now, I'm going to be creating a circle in like 4 places. So I have videos on pipe criloline too on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to do that. I'll secure that part. once you add your feathers to it or pocket rows, then you start adding this stick to it. So just keep adding to it. You're going to use a hot glue to do this part. Okay, it's what I'm doing. So easy to do. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to stone it the inside, and this you're going to just look at this. You're going to add some hot glue on the Alice band and press it on the fascinator. Then cover it with your ribbon. Just make sure you cover your work with the ribbon. And go back to stoning. You're going to do that. The inside you're going to stone the inside. Just look at what I'm doing. So easy to do. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and we still have lovely tutorial coming in on a fascinator, more fascinator these days. On fascinator, we have videos on turbans. So see what I'm doing. So easy to do.